Okay, let's go ahead and get started with science. I don't want to make this too long, so we are going to kind of skip over some parts that we would normally do in the classroom, just because it's a little bit harder over this type of a video. But we are on lesson 6, and you should have received these 3 papers for lesson 6 in my email on Monday. So we're going to do this page first, okay? This one has some definitions that we are going to go over that are going to help us later on in our lessons. So I am going to be giving you guys the definitions for you to write right here, but I will be doing them on a whiteboard on my document camera right here. Okay, so go ahead and grab that piece of paper. Move this back a little. Okay, perfect. So we're going to go over what photosynthesis is first, okay? Let me make sure my camera's on. Okay, so photosynthesis, that's that really long word that's at the beginning. It looks like this. Okay, photosynthesis. And basically what photosynthesis is it is when a plant turns, and you can write this in the definition portion of your paper. When a plant turns sunlight into their own food. Okay, so go ahead and you can pause the video there, copy that into your definition. Photosynthesis, when a plant turns sunlight into their own food. Okay, and then the next one, I believe, let's go ahead and look, was, chlorophyll. So it's this one right here. Now, chlorophyll is actually really cool, boys and girls. Chlorophyll is a substance. It's like it's just stuff within the plant that helps, that really just helps photosynthesis. And it also is what makes the plant green. So that word chlorophyll, we can say helps make food and turns plants green. Okay, you can go ahead and pause right there. The next one is pollen. Okay, now pollen is really interesting because pollen is produced by the stamen of the flower. Produced by the stamen. Oops, you can't see what I'm writing. Silly as rough. Produced by the stamen. And usually appears as yellow dust, but it helps make new plants. Okay? And then pollination is that last one, and pollination is the process that allows plants to make new plants. Okay? So let's go ahead and what you're going to do is, so this is the stamen and this is where the pollen is produced. So this is all of the parts of the flower. And what you're going to do is you are going to use this paper to help you label your own parts of a flower using the word bank right here. We have the words petal, stigma, style, ovule, pistil, and receptacle. This is something that we would do if we were in class together, so I want you to just skip over this part, okay? All right, everybody, that's it for science today. Good job.